Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Avocado theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application first. So once you done that, you simply need to open Instagram application. Okay, so once you open, so let me select my Instagram account. Okay, so I'm on my Instagram account. Click on this messenger icon on the top right, and here you need to select any conversation. Okay, and then you need to click on the person name and click on theme. From here you simply need to select avocado. Okay, and it will take few seconds, and now you can see that this theme is activated for this conversation. So by following this step you can activate this theme for other conversation as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.